Welcome to my channel. Chicken chow mein. Here we make chicken chops. It is very easy to make and very tasty. First we took boneless chicken and cut it like this. Add corn flour and egg white salt inside the chicken and mix it well. Now take a pan and fry this chicken well. Boil noodles or spaghetti. Now we will take a pan and put oil in it. Add ginger garlic paste and chopped onions in it. Now add capsicum in it and fry it lightly. Add salt and pepper. Add soy sauce, ketchup, and salt to it. Now add noodles to it. Now add fried chicken to it and mix it well. We have prepared chicken and rice, which is very delicious to eat. Thanks for watching.